I'm gonna go test on this new sharpening. Be right back. That's never good. It's a maple species. Can you guess what it is? I'll show you the middle, and I know you'll definitely be able to tell. Guess yet? The maple family. Give me another try. Canadians call it Manitoba maple. The only other guess I'm going to give you. Okay, let me show you this. If you don't know by now, we might not be able to be friends. Wasn't even a workout for that saw. Anyway, this is what's happened to a lot of these maples around here. They just start rotting in the middle. You know, there's nothing there. Every maple species, I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's a disease, but what I do see a lot in is right there, termites and carpenter ants. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah, termites and carpenter ants is what I always see in these. And I mean, they're either after something or they're causing the destruction. If you know, if you're an arborist, instead of a hack like me, let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much what happens there on those. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, it's pretty sharp.